Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
SNAPTAIN H823H mini drone for kids, RC Nano Quadcopter with altitude hold, headless mode, 3D flips, 1 key return and speed adjustment. Altitude hold: the drone will hover at a certain height when you release the throttle stick. Easy operation with extra fun. 3D Flips Stunt: the robust and fantastic 360 degrees flips and rolls stunt reveals effortlessly with the 6-axis gyro flying control system. Headless mode: you are the pilot of the drone in headless mode. Orients the drone from your perspective to avoid the common direction chaos. 1 key return: the drone will instantly take off land return by a simple push of one single button. Faraday-proof with ultra-responsive motor. 3-speed control: 3-speed control to meet the needs for beginners, intermediate and experts. Mini pocket size makes it ultra-portable. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.